Let's go! Guys, Bitcoin holders, this is something forming right now which you need to pay attention to. So I actually posted this on Twitter 2 minutes ago. But anyway, I am going to be talking about this right now, stuff you need to know. Also, we're talking about Ethereum, we're talking about Cardano, we're talking about traditional markets, and we're talking about my trade. So as you know, in yesterday's video, I did give you my trade setups, the exact levels I was going to buy at in order to make a profitable trade. And so far, we have had one order executed. Don't worry, guys. We are going to talk all about that in this video. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Cristiano, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe right now and also activate the bell so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. All right, so what do we have on Bitcoin? Well, you can see that we are still below the orange box right here. Okay, so far so good. Also, I did tell you yesterday that I was going to put buy orders at this orange line at 61,100, at this level at 59,000, and also down here at 57,500. So far, the Bitcoin price has gone down to my first level, and I have filled the first order. And you're also seeing a big, not big, but a decent bounce on this first candle here of my orange line. You had a bounce of 1.58%. So then also you had a second bounce here going up, and now a third bounce. And we're going to see if this is going to be the bounce to take us further high, or if this is just going to, just like on the previous candles, you can see that on the first bounce, we made a high right here. On the second candle, we made a lower high. And so far on this candle, on the 1 hourly, we have a third lower high. So are we going to continue down? Well, that means that I am going to continue buying at these levels and fill my orders. But so far, so good. I know a lot of people played these three bounces and made a lot of money playing this on leverage. So big congratulations to everyone who played these levels off of my orange line right here. But let's continue talking about this. What do we have when we zoom out? Well, some people are going to say that, hey, we are potentially maybe about to form a W pattern right here. If we go up and break this level, that is going to be completely false. This is not going to be a W pattern, because a W pattern is formed going after a long downtrend, okay? Then you have the W, and then that is the reversal. You don't have a W pattern at the top of a bullish trend. So this is never going to be a W pattern. The psychology is just not there. But what this could potentially be actually is, if we just look at this like this, and I think this is more apparent on the 4 hourly, we could potentially form a double top. So what is the double top? Well, we have a prolonged uptrend, which you can see that we have had. And then this is the reversal pattern. So for this to be a double top, so you have the first top, you have the bounce there, you have the second high here. And now if we break this level, this is going to be a textbook double top. Meaning if we break the orange line, you do not want to see the orange line break for all Bitcoin bulls out there. But if we break it, I am expecting a rather quick descent here to my next orange level at 59,302. So this is something you need to pay attention to. Of course, this is what we have been preparing for. We are prepared for this. This is why I got my orders here on Femex, and I'm executing these on Femex in this case. Not going in with too much money. I'm just going to explain the psychology of how to play this. So if we continue going down here, this is my strategy. I will continue to buy at this level, just like planned, and I will continue to buy at 57,000 at my orange line right here as well. Now, if we do not see that descent, we have a bounce and we go up and make a new all-time high, no worries, I got in at the orange line right here. So you see, this is a very good risk to reward standpoint trade. And so we are ready for whatever. So before we talk about the rest of the altcoins, if you want to start trading yourself, you can do so and get a $200 bonus over on Bybit, $200 bonus over on Femex as well. So make sure to utilize these links if you want to get these bonuses and if you want to start trading yourself. Let's continue. Overall, things are looking still very bullish for Bitcoin. I mean, if we go to the 4 hourly and we just look at this, the bullish trend is still intact, okay? We're making higher highs, we're making higher lows in general, and so no worries at all. I still think that we have maybe 25% still of this bull run left in us. But that is also when things tends to get the most parabolic. Now, I'm not saying that that is going to necessarily be the case, because we have been pretty parabolic overall here. But traditionally, the latter parts of the bull markets are where you are going to see very rapid price movements. All right, so in other words, if we break this level, that is going to be a bit nasty. Then I'm expecting a big dump to at least 59,200 here, maybe even the orange box at 57,644. But no worries, we are going to play this, we are going to make money, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, just like I've done with the previous trades as well. Right, let's talk about Ethereum. So on Ethereum, we found support right here, and we're having a pretty nice bounce here actually on Ethereum. 2.4%, 10x leverage, 25% approximately, not too bad. Now, for Ethereum, there's only one thing. We need to take out the previous all-time high, and then anything can happen. There's quite a bit of hype around Ethereum right now, so the momentum is building up, and that is on the expense of BNB mostly. But also when we look at Cardano here, we are actually below the orange line right here. So as long as we are below this orange line, you know, we could see some price action to the downside before we break this level again, because yeah, this level is probably going to be pretty strong at this point, but we will see. It's just, you know, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times this has acted as very strong resistance in this vicinity at least. I should probably make this actually a orange box. I'm going to go ahead and do that. So there we go, orange box on Cardano. We need to clear this cluster. If we can clear this cluster and have consolidation above this level, that's cool. But if we don't have that, I am expecting Cardano to range for a bit here before actually, if Bitcoin goes down, also going down to $1.20 eventually. But no worries, I mean, we had a decent pump here on Cardano. This is still one of the best performers of 2021 among the high cap altcoins, so no worries at all. Ethereum, we keep on watching this one. Traditional markets looking decent. I mean, we are actually right now very close to the all-time high right now on traditional markets. So this is looking good, and as long as we are here in this vicinity, no worries for Bitcoin long term. So I am expecting Bitcoin to continue to go up, but if I manage to fill my orders at these levels, that's going to be very nice before we take off on Bitcoin. So that's what I got for you today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe right now and also activate the bell and watch the video popping up in the middle of this video right now, and I will see you right there.